Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate an AI doctor avatar video in CapCut. So to do that, it's quite simple. Just open up your CapCut application and here I'm going to show you all the steps that you have to take. Just open your project and tap on text on the bottom left corner of the screen, just like this. Then this menu shows up and here tap on add text. Then you can type in the text that you would like to use for your video. And when you have your text box, then you just have to select AI avatars on the bottom. And here you can select between many different options, but now we are looking for the health option. And here you can select your preferred doctor avatar that you would like to apply for your videos.
Hey, how are you today?
And basically you just select it and it is going to generate the video with your text input. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.